What's up, guys? Here with another video. We're going to be installing the center console. It's going to be a little small video. We're going to be installing the center console for the Miata. We're going to be changing the NB1 style console to the NB2 console. This is what we'll be doing today. It's a quick video. It's going to be installing this NB2 center console, replacing my NB1. So let's do this. I think there's 5 screws total. There's one on each side over there, and the other side Phillips. Over here is another Phillips, and there's 2. I believe these are Phillips too. Yeah. Okay. Next, you wanna just lift it up. Actually, look, it's so easy. Just lift it. At least it does on this side. You see that? Just you do the same. There you go. Moving the shift knob. I have a video coming up pretty soon, or depending on which one I did first, but basically the shift knob was stuck on itself. It's plastic inside and wood and metal on the outside, and basically I had glued the 2 pieces back together. I had to drill a hole, like finagling and a hole to get it fixed. I'm gonna have to repair this soon. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. I'll lift it up. I'll get this out of the way. Lift it up. There we go. Push down on the middle and out. It should just wiggle it out. There you go. I have no idea what this is for. What's the purpose of it? Let me know in the comments below. So here is the comparison of the two. So NB1 on this side, NB2 on this side. Most of the differences are here, of course. Got the key. You have different size center console in there with nuts with the bolts actually. And here's the difference between the two. Looks bigger in here and there, but it has to accommodate for the drinks on this side. And so they moved the space of the drinks here. And also, you notice the difference here. They removed the ashtray. I have no use for this anyways, I don't smoke. And yeah, they move it up here a little bit. You see that? Here's the difference. I'll be moving this, of course, to this side because I don't need this. I'm going to match it with my trim. And yeah, just place it back in and it'll be good to go. 4 bolts off. Take off everything here and then the trim, put it onto the new one. For removing the screws, pretty easy. It just comes off and this is how it looks. A little dirty. I'm going to clean mine up. The trim underneath, the shift trim, whatever you call it, the boot, the shifter trim is held in by these 2 clips, if you would, and then it's held on to this big one in the back, which you take these 2 off first and then just pull it from the front back and then it should come off. Quickly, I lied, there's actually 4. There's one in the middle, or 2 actually, 2 in the middle, and then you take off the one in the rear. Nice. Here's a comparison of the 2. I think this is the Nardu model. Okay, just had to push this out, just, you know, general push. I don't know, I think mine was glued. Someone glued it. Something had to happen with it or what, but I'm just gonna leave it alone. Clean it up a little bit, but yeah. And just put it in here. So the key is held in by 2 screws, Phillips, and I think that's it. Pretty dirty. Guys, is the finished product. Screwed everything back together, pretty simple, isn't that? But look at that. It's all good. Just gotta clean up now. Alright guys, just got home. Bought a pretty large Dutch Bro drink. Oh shoot, look at that. It's kind of melts pretty fast, I guess, but whatever. It's blended. It's a blended Ice Rebel, but whatever. It's the size. It's pretty big. Their largest size, I believe. And about to test it with the NB2 center console. But so look at this. You know, nice. And on this side, same thing. It's good. It's a lot more snug than the last one, let me tell you. And did a pretty sharp turn in one of the crossroads, and it was pretty nice. Didn't even, you know, turn or anything like the previous one. They did fit, except, you know, they were not very secure, so the drinks would always just, like, you know, tip over a little bit, tip over the side. I was kind of scared to have the drinks there, actually. But these are so much nicer, and I think it's gonna be worth the investment personally over time. Those are just water spots, but yeah, pretty nice, pretty big drink. Fits in both. I think they're both the same size, but yeah, pretty nice. I'm happy with this purchase, and I got a pretty good deal. Quick shout out to Brandon from Silly Slow Miata in Arizona, Mesa. Check him out. He reasonable services. He does his whole things about Miatas and Mazda and all that stuff. So check him out. He's a pretty cool guy. We're all done with the video. We're all good here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, comment anything down below. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one. Peace.